Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate YouTube thumbnails using AI. And without wasting any time, let us start the video. Head over to your browser and enter chatgpt.com. Then in a text area here, enter this prompt. I will leave this prompt in the description of this video. The prompt says, can you create a detailed AI prompt for generating a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled How to Make $100 Online? I want the thumbnail to be eye-catching, professional, and attention-grabbing, with bold colors like red and elements such as a laptop, smartphone, money, and high person point with the cash. Now, ChatGPT will generate for you a prompt which we use in another AI platform. I'm going to show you in a second to generate for you a thumbnail. So after click enter, I'll tap on this icon. Now, ChatGPT has created a prompt you can use to generate a thumbnail. Copy it and paste it somewhere. You can use your notepad or Google Docs. So after copying it, open another tab and enter aistudio.google.com. Then in the sidebar here on this platform, on this Google AI Studio platform, select Generate Media. Then head over to Imagine and click on it. Click on this tab. Then on the extreme right, where we have the run settings, and aspect ratio, select 16:9 since you're generating a thumbnail for a YouTube video. Then down here in the text area, paste the other prompt you copied from ChatGPT and click on Run. Then AI Studio will generate for you a YouTube thumbnail. Hold on for a few seconds. Now AI Studio has generated for us a YouTube thumbnail we can use when uploading our YouTube video. You can continue making adjustments to this prompt until you get your desired results. But for me, I'll continue with this one. Once you're okay with the thumbnail generated, around here we have a download icon. Click on it so that in order to save your thumbnail to your computer or to your device. Okay. Then save it. And just like that, we've generated a YouTube thumbnail with the help of AI. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.